The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that the final contract for 15 limited series production light combat helicopter is in the final stage, and as soon as the contract is signed, all 15 helicopters will be delivered between 2021 to 2022, as Hindustan Aeronautics has already developed 9 airframes of the light combat helicopter with its internal budget, and assembly and integration work will be completed in the next 6 months. The later variants will come with a new indigenous radar system, which will have several modes and long-range detection capability, and will be able to control different types of reconnaissance systems. The Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited had submitted its 4,300 crore rupees bid in February 2020, but it was found that the bid was much higher than the benchmark price, after which the Ordnance Factory was asked to submit a reasonable price, but the Ordnance Factory did not submit another bid. The current deadlock over starting the Indo-Russian Rifle Factory to manufacture around 6.7 lakh AK-203 rifles is likely to be resolved, as the Defense Ministry has now established a cost committee that has been given 2 months to fix a fair price for the manufacture of the rifles. If both the sides reach an agreeable price, the factory will start productions by October 2020, which is ahead of the 2020 bilateral summit between India and Russia. Prime Minister Modi held a telephonic conversation with the President of Philippines, in which both the leaders shared satisfaction in bilateral relationship and defense cooperation, and Philippines President in fact wanted India to play a bigger role in the Indo-Pacific region. The Philippine Navy chief has also thanked the Indian Navy for helping out one of its Navy ship, after a fire broke out in its engine room. India repaired the Philippine Navy ship free of cost at an Indian shipyard, and also took care of both the Philippine Navy personnel in Indian hospitals. The Philippines Army is all set to purchase 2 batteries of the BrahMos system from India, and the deal is expected to be signed in the next few months. A BJP MP has advised the Modi government for not deploying the S-400 system against China, because the S-400 is made with Chinese electronics. The Russian news agency had already reported that the S-400 deal with China is without technology transfer or license production. It is also to be noted that a US investigation in 2012 had found 1,800 cases of fake electronic parts being used in US military aircraft like C-130J and P-8 maritime aircraft, which were also purchased by India, and around 70% of the 1 million fake parts were traced to China. In addition to posing risk of failure, such counterfeit equipment could be used as means for implanting tracking and espionage systems. Pakistan has taken delivery of one more Saab 2000 airborne early warning and control aircraft, which is the 4th Saab 2000 aircraft inducted by Pakistan since the 2019 aerial engagement, and while the Indian Air Force has not inducted any new AWACS platform, Pakistan Air Force now has a fleet of 7 Saab 2000 aircraft, and 4 Chinese ZDK-3 Advanced Airborne Early Warning and Control System, which takes the total strength to 11 aircraft, against the 5 aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police has been seeking helicopters for more than 20 years, which have been delayed mostly due to bureaucratic process. It was claimed by the Minister of State for Home Affairs in October 2019 that the process to get 2 helicopters on lease was in the last stage, but still the ITBP has not received a single helicopter, and 8 months have passed after the official statement.